Okay fellas, hi, and we have Makita hammer drill and something is stuck inside it and broken, so customer can't use it. Let's check if it works. Okay, it works, so it's a good sign for the beginning. Okay, I don't know what is inside, what is stuck, but tool can hammer now, so let's try to disassemble. What I want to do now, I want to take the housing and leave all the parts on the motor. Sometimes that's a little bit tricky. Okay, so let's check it. Yeah, we have it, and the reason I want to do that is because I want to take this cylinder out. Okay, normally this bearing is not so tight here. And most of the time this bearing is just living in a housing, so okay. And normally this bearing is here in the housing and it just lives here when you remove it. Okay, this one just getting here. Okay, so now we have the holding ring. The washer, and we have our cylinder out, so let's press it. Okay, the O-ring looks not very good. Okay, now we can check what the heck we have here, and I can see that the hammer moves easily inside, so that's a good and a bad sign, because it must have some friction. Okay, now let's check. We have the spring ring here. Maybe I will try to wash it. Sprayed it with a brake cleaner. Okay, now all we want. Okay, all we want is the phone call. Okay, let's get back to business. Where is my screwdriver? Okay, apply to this one. What I want to do now, I want to take the spring ring out and I'm just pushing the parts here, and as you can see, when I push them they move, so it will be easier to remove the spring ring. And of course maybe I can try to do that in some smarter way. For example with this one, maybe I can press it with this one. Probably yes. Okay, let's try to do that with hand. Okay, now look here. One side of the spring ring moving, so rest it out, and we'll try to move another one. When one side is moved, we can use the force. Of course, it's easier if you put it to the vise. Okay. Now our spring ring is lifted. Okay, when the spring ring is lifted, I can use the hook. I bet you even didn't place it. Oh, I got the spring out. Okay. Now I want all these parts out. I can see some small metal piece or something. Okay. And yeah, we have our piece that don't want to come out here, so let's try to maybe punch it out. Okay, don't want to go to that side, so let's try another. I will put no vise. Okay. It's moving forward, but not as good as I want to. Okay, so probably we'll just keep hammering. I can see the what is this? It's like a small O-ring, and I think it's from the inside here of the cylinder. It's a It's an oil seal. Okay, but still we need to get it somehow out, so we have no other choice. Maybe now we have something out. Okay, it's moving forward. Okay. Okay, now it looks like it's getting out. Yep. Okay, and what it is? It's a piece from the chisel or the drill bit. Okay, so what we have now? It looks good. I can see the sealing inside, and I think it's no sealing. Okay, I need to check it. What we can do here. Okay, after some coffee we will not do anything here. Just put some grease. Okay, the spring ring. Let's press it down a little bit, and you can see that I'm starting to see the spring ring here from the gap, and I can just try to press it like that down. Okay, and yep, now it perfectly got into the position. We have the bump here for the spring ring, so we need to get that spring ring here. Now it's good, and you can check how the striker moves. So basically for this one it will be good to make all the maintenance, but it is like it is. Sometimes it's worth it, sometimes not. That depends on the customer most of the time. Okay, so just putting the fresh grease. The holding ring. Oops, forgot about the plate with the spring. Okay. Putting it like that, we can move the tool holder. We'll put some more fresh grease here. Maybe it will not help. Maybe. or maybe it will help the tool to last a little bit longer. Okay, we have it here. From the sounding hammers. Okay, sounds not very good, not very nice, and basically need new O-rings. Maybe that tool holder, because the oil seal is not sold separately by Makita, but it is like this. Okay, let's check what we have here. That's good that the customer put everything in the back. Okay, okay, so we have the spring, we have the plate, we have a couple of balls here, we have the washer, okay, let's continue this one. So it is this and this. Okay, so we have the plate here, the rubber here, we have the washer, we have a bigger spring ring here, now we have the second washer. This washer is holding the cap. We have the spring ring for the washer to be held. And of course we have cap. And now all is here for us is the drill bit of the chisel to test it. And the heck, I don't know where's my chisel. Okay, so basically that's it. I will find the chisel, test it, and so on. And for you, subscribe to my channel if you are watching the video till the end, and don't forget to press thumbs up. For now, saying goodbye.